Hey friends, if you wish to perform clean boot in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and click on system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Now, what is clean boot and why is it important? So, a lot of times, some third-party software may be interfering with a process in your system, thus causing problems. And the real problem is not that a third party software is causing problems. You could have uninstalled it. But the problem is that you do not know which third party software. So, what happens is that a lot of third party software products launch at startup itself and they do not even show in the startup tab in the task manager. They work in the background. Now, here's what you can do through Clean Boot. All third party processes will be disabled upon startup except for Microsoft's own processes, which are genuine. And once that happens, you can isolate which process was causing the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.